was at this moment that I realized I messed up. So I decided to make a dupe of the honey shampoo bar that LUSH makes. And I went on the UK site to look at the ingredients list because a lot of times the UK and the US ingredient list is different. So as you can see, it is SLS, honeycomb, and honey. And I was like, that's 3 ingredients. Anything after the word fragrance is just added for label appeal. It's such a minute amount because fragrance is going to be a small amount, otherwise it will not be good. Okay, and the reviews were very bad. Very long reviews and very bad. So I'm not so sure that the LUSH recipe is super great. If it really just has those 3 ingredients, the US recipe is totally different. I'm gonna guess it's not the same. But anyway, I did their recipe, so I made it like they said it is on their label. I was not successful. I made a very large error by putting it in the microwave. Actually, that honey is from my dad. He has a lot of beehives. It started on fire and it was very smoky and disgusting. So that was a fail. So I redid it and I put it in a crock pot and it worked a whole lot better. But I did not like the 3 ingredient recipe. I was not going to put that on my hair. So this is my recipe that I made. And I added a bunch of things that I thought would be better for hair care and not drying out your hair, because I think the ingredients that the recipe from LUSH said for the UK is going to dry your hair out really bad. And going by the reviews, that looks like that's what happened to a lot of people. So I added a whole ton of stuff. One of the things I added was propolis, cocoa butter, because it had no butters or oils. I was really scared because my hair needs moisture and it can't go with just honey, beeswax, and SLS. So anyway, these are what the bars turned out like, and I still have to test them. I'll let you know.